Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everybody, my name is Banele Nkosi. I'm the founder of Nubian Fragrance, which is a generic version of the premium brands, your expensive perfumes that people can barely afford. So we have generic versions of good quality, the quality that people will enjoy without actually having to pay thousands and thousands of rands. Obviously, a bottle for this usually goes for 100 rands. People buy for 100 rands, then they are happy with that price. And we do have stocking prices for 60 rand a unit for young entrepreneurs in the township who want to make extra income on the side. Our contact details, you can find us on Facebook, you can find us on Instagram. Just type Nubian Fragrance on Facebook. Our logo is the NF. You can find us at Nubian Fragrance on Instagram. And we have our contact numbers there. Our email is nubianfragrance nbh@gmail.com or nubianfragrance01@gmail.com. Hi, my name is Banele Nkosi and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.